In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and delete audio in CapCut PC. If you've got background noise, accidental chatter, or music you don't want in your footage, I'll show you two fast, reliable ways to silence or remove it entirely using CapCut on your computer. First, make sure your footage is already on the timeline in CapCut so you can see your video track. The quickest way to silence everything on that track is to use the track header controls. Look to the far left side of your timeline and find the small speaker icon next to your video row. Click that speaker icon and instantly, all the sound on that track is muted. This is great for quick previews when you just want silence without touching the actual audio file. Think of it as a non-destructive mute. Your audio is still there in the background, but it won't play during editing or export while it's muted. It's a simple track-wide switch that keeps you moving fast. Now, if you don't just want silence but want the sound file completely gone, there's a clean way to do that. On the timeline, right-click directly on your video clip and choose Separate Audio. CapCut will detach the sound from the video and place it on its own track just below the video. You'll see it as a separate green audio block, which makes it easy to identify and manage independently from the picture. Once the audio is separated, click on that green audio block to highlight it. Then press the delete key on your keyboard. That's it. The audio is fully removed, leaving your video perfectly silent. Your video clip stays in place, and you won't have any hidden sound playing later. This is ideal when you plan to replace the original audio with music, a voiceover, or sound effects, or when you need silence for stylistic reasons. A quick recap to help you choose. Use the speaker icon on the track header when you need a fast, reversible mute for everything on that track. Use Separate Audio and then delete the green block when you want the original sound completely out of your project. Just remember, muting affects the entire track, while separating gives you precise control over an individual clip's sound. Complete control over your video audio in just a few clicks. You're all set, done.